In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up buy and sell indicators on TradingView. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Use any symbol or time frame you prefer. The process is the same whether you're looking at stocks, crypto, or Forex. Make sure your chart is visible and ready so you can instantly see the indicator when we add it. Next, look to the top of the screen and click on the Indicators button. This opens a powerful library of tools and community scripts. You'll see a search bar at the top of the panel. This is where we'll find buy and sell signals quickly. In the search bar, type keywords like buy-sell or buy-sell signal. Keep it simple. The goal is to surface a list of scripts that place clear visual cues on your chart. As the results populate, focus on the scripts section. These are user-created or public indicators that often include those familiar green arrows for potential buys and red arrows for potential sells, or labels that mark suggested entries and exits. Take a moment to look through the options. Read the short descriptions, check the author, and if available, glance at the ratings and how many people are using the script. A well-documented script with a clear description usually makes it easier to understand what the signals mean. You can also preview screenshots on the right side of many listings, which helps you see how the signals will appear on your chart before you add anything. When you find a buy-sell indicator that looks reliable and suits your style, maybe one that draws arrows directly on the price chart, click it once to add it to your chart. Instantly, you should see the visual signals appear. Green typically marks suggested buying opportunities, and red points to potential selling points. Some scripts will place labels instead of arrows, but the idea is the same. They highlight moments where the underlying logic thinks a trade might be favorable. Remember, these indicators are decision aids, not guarantees. Different scripts use different logic, moving averages, momentum, or custom formulas, so two buy-sell tools may not agree. That's normal. The key is to choose one that's easy to read, aligns with how you trade, and makes your chart cleaner, not more confusing. And that's it. You opened your chart, clicked indicators, searched for buy-sell, explored the script's results, and added the one you liked. With that, you're set up to visualize buy and sell signals right on your TradingView chart.